Tuisonga na mbele kana Nzama ya andu ikumi ila kuthinikia Uneenan'Ya kati wa Silikali ya Kenya kwanza na ngwatanio ya azimio oka yiikwatiw'a kwikia saii Maundu ala mekwithiwa maineenanisya kwi Wakatatu wa kyumwa tuendete itina kuvikiia mwiw'ano kwi umunthi. Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ulotongwe sengaliko ya azimio niwawetakana nimetikilana na kuseuvya ithangu yimwe ila makeikia saii na mewi'ana kuuthiisya ala mekwasekana Uneenan'Ya uo ndwisya matunda ndeto ila sya kwatwa mbau ni governor wa kaunti ya Embu Cecil Mbarire ula watongoesya Kenya kwanza kikaloni cha umunthi. Josephine Koki ena mauvoa.
Nzama ya Uneenan'Ya kati wa Silikali na ngaliko ya Ulei azimio la umoja yiweta Wakatatu wa kyumwa tuendete niweke kiangithio kila meuneenanisya kikiuka itina wa kamiti isu kwithiwa yatwaisya Uneenan'Ya mwasa kwi umunthi kwiwania kila kiuneenaniw'a kwianana na mawendekethio kuma kwi komiti sya kiuvundi kuma ngaliko sieli sya Uneenan'Ya usu.
So we've agreed on the changes as proposed by the technical teams, and we are more or less agreed on the framework agreement that we will sign next week. We've also received the consolidated issues as proposed by the technical teams. They have clustered them in various titles. Again, those will be discussed next week and signed by the team, the NDC. And then we've also gone through, agreed on a work plan that is running for 60 working days. And that also has been approved by this team.
Mutongoi wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ulotongwesya amemba mangaliko ya Ulei Uneenan'Yani usu ondumwe na gavana wa Embu Maundu Cecil Mbarire ula wingaliko ya Silikali meweta ni mavikiia mwiw'ano umbanoni wa umunthi.
The issues are there, agreed. The framework agreement basically agreed, and the issues are framed. The agenda we have now is not that of Kenya Kwanza or Azimio. It is condensed into one document, so we expect the media to help us so that you don't create unnecessary division.
Mbarire atovithuwa kila kyetikilanwa ni Nzama isu sya kiuvundi niwaweta kana itina wa kwikia ngithio kwi Wakatatu niguo makambi ya iseso ya kuosania mawoni.
I think after next week we are going to now start our activities and we'll start engaging with the various stakeholders. And I must say that today's meeting was extremely productive in terms of how we are moving forward.
Kwa ngaliko yake Kalonzo aweta Maundu ala onthe unawetete meuneenaniw'a ni momosete mwanya wambe na kana iseso yiu ya Wakatatu yuka itina wa mbunge ya Senate kukavula kikalo chayo kwi wakeli kyumwani tuendete kuvitukithya ala meukonwa Uneenan'Yani usu.
Na matarajio yetu ni kwamba tutaimarisha, tutaweka kila juhudi katika siku zijazo kuhakikisha kwamba Wakenya pia ambao ndio washikadau kamili watajihisi kwamba wao pia wako hapa Bomas. We expect the Senate will sit on Tuesday. In fact, we are told that a necessary notice has already gone out for a special sitting of the Senate on Tuesday. And that is where, properly guided, then we'll be able to meet on Wednesday and do the signing and proceed.
Ni ripoti ya Vilingi wa Mavo ni Josephine Koki.